Hello, welcome to Sarness English Quiz channel. There are 10 questions here and you have 5 seconds to answer each one. Choose the correct spelling. Question number 1. Don't interrupt me when I'm talking. The answer was C. Question number 2. We're on the threshold of another world war. The correct spelling was B. Question number 3. If I feel embarrassed, my face goes red. And the correct spelling was D. Question number 4. That cemetery has lots of scary old graves. Your time is up. The answer was B. Question number 5. Don't worry, the mistakes were barely noticeable. And of course, the correct answer was A. Simple as that. Question number 6. Everyone missed you during your absence. And the answer was D. Question number 7. She doesn't wear makeup or worry about her appearance. The answer was D. Let's see the next one. Question number 8. Climate change could threaten our existence. The correct answer was B. Memorize it. Question number 9. Who's on the new committee? Which one do you think is correct? And you were right. The answer was D. Question number 10. Her doctor referred her to a skin specialist. And as you probably answered, it was D. How many of these questions did you answer correctly? Share your score and comment and compete with others in this challenge.